an enhanced next-generation energy-saving inverter, the Mitsubishi F800 series inverter. For fans, pumps, and blowers, energy-saving operation is achieved by the functions ideal for each application. Our new advanced optimum excitation control improves starting torque and achieves energy saving. With the multi-pump function, a high-level control of water volume is enabled by the PID control operation for up to 4 parallel pumps. With the PID pre-charge function, when water supply to the empty pipe is started, rapid acceleration and deceleration of the pump can be avoided to prevent water hammer action. For any foreign matter clogged in the impeller or fan, the cleaning function is helpful. With the PLC function, the water height and duration can be set. Power consumption can be further reduced. The F800 inverter provides a solution for energy saving.